Hey guys, my name is Sumit and I'm here to talk about the 48 megapixel camera on the all new Redmi Note 7. The 48 megapixel camera on the all new Redmi Note 7 Pro. Now we have been receiving a lot many questions from our Mi fans around the 48 megapixel camera on the Redmi Note 7 Pro. This video today is to clarify all your doubts and show you the difference between a traditional 12 megapixel smartphone camera versus a 48 megapixel camera on the all new Redmi Note 7 Pro. While multiple brands in the past have tried including a high resolution camera on their smartphones, the tech, however, was not available for them to strike the right balance in terms of size and weight of the sensor, which made the phones look bulky and unappealing. The 48 megapixel camera on the Redmi Note 7 Pro is powered by a half-inch large sensor, which is Sony's flagship IMX586, and is powered by Qualcomm's newest chipset, Snapdragon 675. This sensor, when compared to other traditional smartphone camera sensors, is the largest. Usage of the large sensor allows us to fit in 48 million pixels in RGB layout on the half-inch sensor. Now you might be wondering why green pixels are more in proportion when compared to the red and the blue pixels. It's kind of simple. The human eye sees more shades of green than any other color. In daylight condition, light passes through the wide f1.79 aperture and the 6p lenses to give you a 48 megapixel daylight image. Let's look at a few samples which our team clicked in Delhi and Agra few weeks ago. Under low lighting conditions, the 4 adjacent pixels come together to form one large superpixel, which allows the camera to capture more light and produce better details and colors. Let's look at a few samples. We hope you found this information useful. If you have any more questions, please drop them in the comment section below. See you guys soon.
Show me.